Понял, а как играть буду? Да ну, серьезно? Алло, наигрался? Как буду играть, алло? Бля. Что-то я не понял. А что с игрой? Меня так или я должен идти в этого плана не... Почему там стало? Они что, отказались от русских? Да, я думаю, я отмонтировалась какие-то. На игра и пайпетона. Блядь, когда дай? Алло, 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 алло. Здорово. Странно. Нет, серьезно. Да ну не, я так не думаю. Если это факт, то да. Так, где мой телефон? Где мой телефон? Да как-то узнать. Нашел. Нашел. Надо как-то узнать. Конечно, прошли дебаты. Давай еще раз зайду. Э, а. Ну давай, первый попавший. Ой, Роскомнадзор дали от России не планирует блокировать PUBG Mobile. Только PUBG. Лента. Дядя Янки ляты. Ёп. Какие-нибудь тут тоже. Один пойти или... Давай аркаду пойти. Я прикола. Давай рискую. Не, я, конечно, не умею играть. Но попробуем. Ну, попробуем. Это будет интересно. Интересно. Интересно, что будет, как будет. Да ёбаный реклама. А я? И? И? Всё. Да. Время подключения стекло. Чё такое? Чё такое? Люмбала. Тушим бом-бом. Тушим бом-бом. Люмбала. Тушим бом-бом. И, пожалуйста. The match has ended. Лобби. Я в лобби улетел? Ну давай продолжить, давай. Дело игры. Не. Опять ошибку выдает. Чё это такое? Ах, серьезно. Вот опять. Опять начинает. Начинается. Алло, чё с игрой-то, блядь? А, появился. От третьего лица. Нет, от первого лица давай. Ona giren korkacağım. Giller bette. O. Gidot. Когда тупик на ревикинде чёрно, понял? Это я услышал. Бананы, бананы. Купите бананы. Ошибка. Свежие, только что выращенные. И... Что тут поменялся-то? Что это поменял? А, Эран Гельден это уровень будет. Хватит, вот эту игру не играл давно. Меня тут нет. Какая-то хапа. Это чё за туман? Белый туман. Эпет. Похож на обман. И пепет. Думал, bu da köye her kadar bu da. А чё за машина ездит? Я не понял. Тут, тут никогошеньки, походу. А, вон одного вижу. А чё у меня игра лагает? Пингует жестко. Ну, потери пакетов есть, однако. А, у меня русификатор качает. Ёп твою мать. Да чё такое? Чё? Чё это? Почему я жестко лагаю? Вот опять. Так, так. Триггер хабардах келен түйірділ сайылында. Иш. Бля, тоқтаушы, серьезно. Ема. А да не тоқтауй. Это шо такое? Что за такое? Пусто. Пусто, зато густо. Өлөрки болду. Өлөр ческе тигистим быһылаах. Однако. А, нет, нихуя. Хе-хе. Хотя на одном патроне не наживусь, наверное. И жить не буду. Опа. Тут у нас чё? Калаш, хуйня. Так, кеннивер барки. Дайте. А, уже понял. Не надо мне это самое. Пугать, пожалуйста. Эй. Так, зона пока чугас машина бар, да и ладно. Пока живем. Терпимся, главное. Торопиться это такое себе удовольствие. Так, снайпа надо, меха. Ручник половин. Вот эту беру. Да. Хотя чего спает и лагать. Вот это. 그래서 짝짝농랑 камикаду. Бля, хотя хуйня оружие не верили. То именно механик ты веришь. О, самолет ты наконец-то. Да. А, мофиг, манам баран короче. Аще. Аще, чихал демо баран короче. Чихал дроне. Да на, зона деки газ гену на раз. Я тоже зона калар. Ален мантан. Валим. Валим. Их парусах. Только я тут был. Был. Там не был, по-моему. Бля, погнала харта его. Елка. Пашненько. А елка едет где на этом. И крамар. Крамар, грязь, мрязь. Парапить. Та-та-ра-та-ра-та. И надо их бутылок. Бля, көстөрдү. Кас аптекалах мына. Үш. На всякий случай. Тайха, мына. Тайха. Түн дүйінен батыма. Эти. Опа, зона хер. Зона ihe. Зона ihe. Давай. Давай. Мотик. Тик. Ага, правда. У тебя там инсайдер, что ли? Я понял. Или мне так кажется, да? Хантара кия. Генерал хайду. Главное, это расширение виновна. Тиски. Генерал хайду. Демал то расширение рва. Хи. Хаунд. Опа. Снайперское место. Место не йоу. Так. Ладно. Ухей. Машина. Машину. Чисто. Всё, машину вижу. Но доигрывает. Так кажется. Он может тут остановиться. Потому что зона близко. Это 100%. А вот этого стрелять не буду. Стрелять не буду. У Михи не буду. По-любому он где-то тут спрятался. Это 100%. Прямо быть. Кого чисто. Это значит хорошо. Зря я дверь закрыл. Там чисто. Чисто. Однако тут все чисто. 200, 250. Нормально. И так сойдет. Гушак. О, так. Где-то. Блядь, он оттуда не смотрит. Это будет ГГ. Кто-то там снайпер. Сзади меня. Значит, он тоже играет как я. А, тут. Он тут. Где-то тут стрелял, нет? Похуй, бежим. Валим. Пока он не нашел. А татаны, мне очень интересно. Ай нахуй. Иду. Давать не буду. У меня еще потери пакетов есть. Я так и знал, что будешь. А, хана отсюда, я что-то не понял. И он был. Ну чё у него экран дергается? А, слева от меня был. Где? Где? Кадер yürüdü. Странный. А, слышь, как-то странно. Сейчас приду. О, здорово, здорово, здорово. Здорово, сейчас приду. Да, PUBG. PUBG. Он коням берега надо было. Так, сразу минус, 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 минус. Vedeme. Pravidelně. Да потом. Угу. Ай я. Hadi tekerleşti. Понял. Ай. Yakıtı eğnim. Afgan yakıtı diyorum. Ты, короче, Табукчанская его будет идти на круг. Ай, блядь. Да ё-моё. А. Ты, короче, туши света и пинаку вообще. Барва. И... Вообще оружие var ya. Kimler чисто автоматный ayarlardı. Ой, я угнал килан, короче, будет. А, собака yok tutan kıldı. Hı hı. Ay. Да не. Başlıyor ve etelaştı. Okuyacağım. Ay yürüyünce siceri annet. Haha. Başkalıyız. Куди мільйонера не він багала? Abbas سكت وتنكلر اشتغل خدها ده تختار حد مرة بتهي А, бля, не успел, сука. Где я кидал бак? Я понял. Ой. БМ киви дал. Дэн 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 дэн. Бля, хуйня працює. Ти дурака, я тобі говорю. Асно. Yes. Başka yerden ya. Eee, dönüyor. Kıyı. 4 мушкетера у бока. Прикол. Абы. Эбей. Ай. Окей, ну короче.
Я вот Борис,
Ямамбо Сина. ما قلت لك ايش توت. ده طب انت قاعد يعني شباب دي. طاي ترى تلقى بعدك تقول يا ماشي. يب. اللي بالله. Yok apteşke var hep. Kadın yolu. Apteşke. 8 kadar. Так, кинь на воду. Şöyle hatta tara. Ey. Şaşlar bit. Hı hı. Таталар чор көзіне. Атыр меткалап аттыр дей. Тейдер. Понял. Кем әргәлі? Нахуй. Ей, бро. Кем мені болам бам. Иди батырын. Опа. Dirty. Yapıyorum tehlikli. Hala var. Orayı ne diye bitti çağına. Там ловить нехуй был в атахта. Тут-то ловить нехуй под один хрен. Воровинде кетесіздер. Ема. Замечен враг. Да. Адам... Да, подтюиттен келген әпейі. Айдар. Оны бейдес көрескі оны керен кәләбет. Үрген мұғайтып. Өч. Оны чоқшая алабыт. Лабыт. Оны лабыт. Үрген ойды, блядь. Пулемет ластым. Тақтаған әркек. Жоқ. Газгін еген аға бит, мантан. Я таққам тоғын моға бит, иннеме балдыра бит. Крутим, вертим, деп. Әрі. Кетурар. Вот не вижу. Турал. Да нет, нихуя не вижу. Ой, бля, зона. Зона стала холодным, да. Ирин. Унюхал. Понял? Не рассылай, да. Да. походу. А, бэш. Торбот. Живой. Алп, бэк, ёпта. Манчук. Да все, ГГ ему. Что там? Угу. Это где-то там. Блять, магазин твой убежал. Хорош. Ага. Угу. Бля. Угу. Пацаны! А, блин, бритв талпот. Ах. Ага. Всё, наконец. Разогрев надо ведь. А, не надо было. Была. Так, что я хотел? Kavuşki görün olur ona. Huribat. Onun kayı. Pani. Paninde. Tabii ki yürüyüşte, kişisiz yürüyüşte. Ama Cassandra ve... Ne olacağı işte. Gaz. Aha. Oho. Ай, больно будет сейчас. Мимо, братан, мимо. Опа. А мы-то, блядь. Блядь. И хам-потай. А, а, а. Kim tüy kim bari başı. Ay kebiş. Tüy. O. Ey. Ot. Дальше Гарри Поттер. Эху. Hayda. Русификатором. Ай, я. Ты. Дальше. Какая. Это здесь одного есть. Всякий стягиваешь. Что? 40 юаней. Üçkii көрөн олорор ден көрөйдүн. Ды эме чатын бырактара алды. Дыян. Айдя. Ой, не буду. Все это ведь. Араныз. Опять. Если честно, я кому колбас бараун хеп. Так айдек. Асан, надо не было хатна колбу. Зара зеро. Ай, понюх. Тохта. Антон мен маннар ба өсүп бирокам. Бун. Атно. Бун. Атылы. Калаш бет. Отну извини. А, нихуя. Где-то вот ты чё, на? Тарась. Ошол, на. Ятин. Ась. Ады, буларын ылыягам. Фак. Айттагара. Watch Dogs 2 ылыдан. Хотя Watch Dogs гана раню. Я могу пик. А, был. Ой, посмотрим. Сразу корзину. Это алло, кукарий. А чё гиряйджу? Кто вы такие? А, пик, пик. Diğer bılağına kaşaydığın uraya kaba. Ne kapsa? Тирин. Это ты. А, он память проверял? Пошел на. А? А уже нет? Да, Эй, ой. Hogwarts теперь бардакан бараллар.
I was glad Professor Weasley asked me to accompany you.
Really?
Yes, I had planned to extend an
Oh,
invitation to
guy.
you myself. I thought you might enjoy a butterbeer in the village. The timing of Professor Weasley's owl was perfect. I cannot tell you how nice it is to breathe fresh air after being cooped up in ancient rooms.
Иди.
Grave mistake to take.
Погоди. Страх, короче, не выдержит. Странно. А, вот это. Вот так вот сделаю.
An elective class, believe me.
I believe you.
Though I suppose you would not really call it elective when your mother was the one who elected that you take it.
Да, нормальный монитор надо.
Hogsmeade is beautiful this time of year. Everyone will tell you to visit at Christmas, but that's one of the few times of year I would rather be indoors.
Not much for the cold, are you?
Oh, I
Хуйня
do not
монитор
mind the cold
такой.
so much, but it has taken some getting used to. I did not grow up around snow. Oh, wait, over here. I often spot lacewing flies in this area.
Oh? What's so special about them?
They are interesting to look at, but if you stew them, you can also use them in potion making.
Та тумара чуви паттабырдуты. Айскан.
Look, from the Forbidden Forest. Hippogriffs. I wonder if something startled them. I heard rumors that hippogriffs had been spotted nearby.
You think Poppy's already seen the hippogriffs?
Absolutely.
Likely already named.
That's the Forbidden Forest on the left. It's off limits to students, as the name implies.
Огонь
Why
курить
is it off
такие игры.
limits?
The professors claim it is too dangerous. I think that calling it forbidden only makes it more alluring. Ah, there's Hogsmeade over the crest. Past that ruin.
Ладно.
I would spend all of my time exploring if I could.
I confess I was surprised when Professor Weasley mentioned that you knew the area, since you're relatively new here.
She said that? Hmm. She knows more about me than
А
I
чё
thought.
с рукой?
I will say, while I certainly learn a great deal in class, much can be gleaned outside of the castle walls. How are you settling in? I remember the weeks that followed my arrival feeling quite strange. Everything was so new and unfamiliar.
Калар, короче.
I'm getting used to
Ахаль
things.
багана. Ой,
What
ко.
about you? Do you finally feel settled?
Ахар читэргэ нэг.
I still miss my homeland, but it is beautiful here too. And getting out of the castle and exploring helped me to adjust quite a bit. Hogwarts has become something of a home now.
Ай,
I would
ёлка.
say. Hopefully
Gittim
it will for
diyelim.
you too. Hello, Mr. Moon. Have you met our new fifth year?
Ой, господи.
You might
Так,
want to turn
Alar,
back,
короче.
Miss Eye. Turn and run.
Is everything all right, sir?
Oh, it looked right at me. Eyes big as saucers.
What did Mr. Moon?
Jemmy, guys. Ugly and airy and terrifying. I shall be at the castle where it's safe. Good luck to both of you.
Сара, кален сара. Что, я к нему должен подойти?
Poor Mr. Moon, a demiguise. I think he had too much fun in the village. I will say that I have never seen him in such a
Ладно.
state.
Промолчу.
There is much to see outside of the castle walls, not just Hogsmeade. I am happy to explore whenever you'd like. Rumors being what they are about goblins and such, it might be nice to have a friend with you.
I'll keep that in mind, Natty. Thank you.
And here we are. It is hard to know where to start. The Three Broomsticks is the place for butterbeer. And you can get any sweet you can imagine at Honeydukes. I could not choose a favorite shop here. It changes with every visit. I can tell you that you are certain to find everything you need in Hogsmeade. Professor Weasley said that you need to get potion recipes,
Рецепт
spellcrafts,
зеленей,
some seeds,
магический
and-
рецепт.
A new wand.
Of course, you will enjoy Mr. Ollivander, and I am keen to see what you will do with a wand of your own. You should be able to collect everything you need and still have time to explore a little as well. Experience Hogsmeade at your own pace. We can meet up in the town circle when you are finished. Enjoy yourself. I will see you soon.
Так, деревня Хоксмит. Наполнена различными достопримечательностями. Так, сперва посетите фолианты. Свитки. Стены. Какие карта надо бить? Фолианты. Сюда мне. Ой.
An inquiring mind.
Pardon me, sir. I'm here for the spellcrafts Professor Weasley ordered.
Matilda, student. I thought I might be seeing you soon. I am the proprietor here, Thomas Brown. I take it you've had a conjuring lesson then?
I'm afraid I haven't yet, sir.
Ah, but you will soon enough. It is magic at its purest, creating something out of nothing. Of course, it is not without complexity, but that is where my spellcrafts come in. Stay the course, and you could soon impress even Professor Weasley.
That's certainly something to aspire to, Mr. Brown. I look forward to that day.
And I, too, seeing it. Spellcrafts are incredibly useful for conjuring unique items like custom pieces of furniture or decoration. But I shall let Professor Weasley do the teaching. For now, let's get the spellcrafts you need. A potting table and a potion station, yes?
I believe so, sir.
Good. Nothing like being able to grow your own ingredients and brew what you want when you want. Let's have a look.
Так.
Nothing like finding just the... If you're interested, feel free to take a look around at the rest of my inventory.
Так. Теперь... Теперь мне надо сюда. Лавка Оливенда. Где это, да?
Merlin's blooming beard. Not again.
I'll be right with... Ah, it's you. Just a moment, please.
Hello, sir. I'm looking for...
For a new wand, yes. It's about time.
Yes, about time.
Well, you're our new fifth-year student, are you not? Oh, what am I saying? Of course you are. Gerbold Ollivander's the name. But of course, you'll have heard of the Ollivanders, I'm sure. Finest wand makers in the world. It's a pleasure to meet you, truly. Now, come with me. Let's find you the perfect wand, shall we? No, not you. Yes. Powerful core. 10.5 inches. You might do. Here, give this one a try. Well, go ahead, swish. How odd. Once more, come on, really swish it. Oh dear. Well, this isn't a good match at all, is it? We'll find you something, not to worry. No, not you.
Гарри Поттер куртка.
Perhaps. Yes. A rare wood, 13 3/4 inches, dragon heartstring. Let's give this one a try. Oh, goodness. Looks like it's back to the shelf for you. This is proving to be trickier than I had anticipated. How perplexing. Where are you? Perhaps you? There you are. Yes, I think you might be the one. Here, take it. Curious indeed. How intriguing. Curious indeed. What do you think? Extraordinary. Another wand, another beginning of a bright and magical future. Now, how did that feel?
Good. Different. I sensed a sort of surge of some kind.
A match. Your connection seemed particularly powerful. The right wand will learn from you, just as you learn from it.
I'm eager to try it out.
I would imagine so. A wand with a dragon heartstring core is capable of dazzling magic. And the bond between you and your wand should only grow stronger. Do not be surprised at your new wand's ability to perceive your intentions, particularly in a moment of need.
That sounds wonderful, Mr. Ollivander.
I'll let you get to it. Do come and see me again if ever I can be of further assistance.
Так, зелье. Пиппина. А я забыл. Антон. Ага, понятно. Lah kada мыльной байурдуй. О, мыльной байурдугой. Возмутить в Жене. Тыкнуть. М.
Welcome to J. Pippin's Potions.
Revelio. Pardon me, sir.
Oh, thank goodness. When I heard the bell, I thought you were Miss Lawang. Not that she deigns to come here. Though I don't believe I've seen your face here before, either.
It's my first time in Hogsmeade, actually.
Is it really? Well, Parry Pippin at your service. And this is J. Pippin's Potions. Potions for all ailments. You'll have read it on the sign, of course, but Grandfather always made me say it in full. How may I help you today?
Professor Weasley sent me to collect some recipes. I'm new at Hogwarts.
You're the student she sent the owl about. I set your things aside immediately. I suspected if you're anything like I was at your age, you'd want your potion supplies. Is it not the most fascinating art, potion making? Rivals anything you can do with a wand, I've always said.
Are potions really that versatile?
They may not be as showy as spellwork, but make no mistake, they are just as powerful. They can heal, destroy, protect. You'll discover all of this soon enough. As it's your first time in, I should mention that it's not just potion recipes I sell. I also offer ready-made drafts for all manner of uses, and I unveil new ones from time to time. Pop in when you can so you don't miss out on anything. But for now, let's get you those recipes, shall we?
Купить.
A wise decision.
Купить.
Feel free to take a look at the rest of my inventory, or come back another time if you're in a rush today.
Accio.
Well, hello there.
Pardon me, sir. I'm here for the seeds Professor Weasley arranged for me to collect.
Ah, the Dittany for the new 5th year. I take it that's you then. Merlin's baby. Starting Hogwarts as a 5th year. You must be positively reeling from it all.
Not at all. I'm choosing to see it all as one big adventure.
Well, bravo. Not everyone has the temperament to take things as they come. Name's Timothy Teasdale, by the way, and this is my shop, the Magic Neep. I keep the cart out here because I like a good chat. Can't very well be in the thick of things if I'm hidden away inside now, can I?
I suppose not.
In addition to seeds, I have plenty of plants. Grow everything myself. My speciality is potion ingredients. Even Pippin purchases from me. But what say we get you a packet of Dittany seeds? Do have a look around. Plenty of ingredients to pique your interest, I'd wager.
Revelio. Well, that's everything. Better go and find
На все случайно тух-тух. Чисто случайно. Ну, ставь, отоголяй.
Hello, be with you in a bit.
Тема ластить. Валим. Валим, 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 валим. Хе-хе-хе.
Those that go to Azkaban never have a drop. You don't ever want to find yourself in the pocket.
Bak şehir bağlı işte hatta. Tabii. Ой, не видно. Включай. Шарара, хэмдэчээ.
Revelio. Revelio.
В чем прикол? Когда ты там хватал?
Accio. Revelio.
Я буду играть. Странно ты.
Revelio.
Тахтарин doğru dururdu. А потом багато, да?
Ah, I have everything. I see what you meant about not being able to pick a favorite shop.
We should walk around a bit more. Perhaps today is the day I finally pick one.
Draw it away from the building! Away from the village!
Ай-я!
Are we weakening him at all?
Keep at it! We have to wear him down! Expelliarmus!
О, бляха, тарал.
Protego!
What was that?
I was trying to beat him at his own game.
Look out! I like it. Do more of it. Descendo. Arresto momento. Look, he's faltering.
Took him long enough.
We need to make sure he stays that way.
Хм.
Goodness! A second troll! Did you two take on a fully grown troll by yourselves?
I suppose so. It's all a bit of a blur, to be honest.
Merlin's beard. Are you all right?
We are, and we were glad to help.
I'd say help is a bit of an understatement. Nerve like that. The makings of an aura, if you ask me. If you are unharmed, perhaps the two of you wouldn't mind helping me put a few things back to where they were.
Of course, officer.
Singer. Officer Singer. And thank you, again.
И что тут надо делать?
Oh,
Понятно.
hello there. A moment, if you would.
I will see what he wants.
Lucky they didn't do more damage. Accio.
Reparo.
One less thing for Officer Singer to worry about.
Revelio. Reparo.
Заебал. Серьезно.
We were just talking about you.
Revelio.
Hello, sir. I don't believe we've met.
Allow me to introduce myself, Augustus Hill, clothier extraordinaire. I should like to thank you for your remarkable bravery in fighting those trolls, and not to mention your help restoring Hogsmeade to its rightful state.
I was happy to help.
Frankly, you deserve an Order of Merlin. But I can offer you something much more useful. I own Gladrag's wizardware, and among my inventory are some unique items that afford certain protections, as it were. Life-saving protections. And as I suspect this won't be your last dangerous encounter, I'd like to give you one such set of robes, in thanks for what you did today.
Все, боюсь, опасная встреча в вашей жизни. Поэтому я хотел бы подарить вам этот комплект мантия. Ладно.
Thank you, Mr. Hill. That's very generous of you.
It's the
Мантия,
least
да?
I can do. Now, let's try this on for size, shall we?
Невидимка, да. Традиционная школьная мантия. Хороший подбор. Бесплатная. Бесплатная? Так бесплатная. Бесплатная. Традиционная школьная мантия. Бля, и так варвар, то батахта. Какая разница? Вот эту? Вот это.
I suspect you have a sharp eye for fashion.
What an extraordinary introduction to Hogsmeade. I would say that we, and you in particular, have earned at least one butterbeer. Shall we head to the Three Broomsticks?
Sounds like a good idea.
Wonderful. Just down this way then.
I sell even more battle-worthy items. Should you be inclined, you're most welcome to peruse my shop at your...
Assuming it is not too busy, you might even meet Serona, the owner. She is a charming hostess and a powerful witch. Good one to know.
You said you could get to the child when they came to Hogsmeade. That all you needed was a distraction. I gave you a distraction.
I just watched a student take down your distraction. Who's this child? What are you not telling me?
All you need to know is that if you cannot get to the child, then you have no value to me.
Let's go.
Did they see us?
I don't think so.
What was that goblin doing with Victor Rookwood?
Ranrock is working with Rookwood.
The goblin from the Daily Prophet. I knew I'd seen him somewhere. Quickly, let's get inside the Three Broomsticks.
It's a treat to see you, Lodgok. I shall let you know if I hear anything.
Thank you, Serona.
You be well. Now, what can I... Oh, there's a face I haven't seen before.
It's my first time here.
Welcome. Butterbeer's on me. Heard about the attack. I shall be looking in on the other shopkeepers and residents shortly. Glad to see you two escaped injury.
Thanks to this one, single-handedly took down a troll.
Is that right? Well done.
Thanks for this.
My pleasure.
Butterbeer.
I will say,
Idiot.
trolls in Hogsmeade. That's never happened before. Something's not right. The only brutes we usually have to deal with are... How timely.
Was that Lodgok I saw leaving just now? Your clientele's not what it used to be, Serona.
Not to worry, Victor. Once the two of you leave, the caliber of my clientele will greatly improve. I wouldn't do that if I were you, Theophilus.
Come now. No need for theatrics. I'm only here for this one anyway.
My friend is enjoying a well-earned butterbeer.
Only want a quick word.
Perhaps you didn't hear me. I said, my friend is busy.
One would think you all had enough bloodshed for one day. Come, Theophilus. The Three Broomsticks isn't what it used to be. Let's take our galleons elsewhere. Can't drink butterbeer forever.
Seems you've made an unfortunate enemy. Watch your back. Rookwood and Harlow are worse than any troll you might encounter.
Trolls, Ranrock, and Rookwood. What are you not telling me?
I promise to tell you everything, but it's perhaps best I do that later.
I think that now might be a good time to head back to the castle.
Revelio.
I am certainly glad Sirona was there.
And that she isn't intimidated by thugs like Rookwood and Harlow.
I want to understand what's going on, and I hope you will tell me. But for the moment, we should return to the castle. Professor Weasley will certainly hear about the troll attack soon if she hasn't already. I don't want her to worry.
Знаете, вы должны вернуться в свою гостиную. Откройте карту. Открыл. Тут я тут только. И задание. Спасибо. Откройте руководство. Или зайдите ко мне. Кое-что обнаружил в Лене, который мы нашли в Грин. Почтах дегенде. Говорите с профессором Фигом.
You can't imagine how inconvenient. I'd like to shop in the Hamlet.
Revelio.
Хантова.
Revelio.
Tohta, ketähän vintu, ketäs peppintu, korjaa по заданию у нас. Всё? Ладно.
Professor, I'm glad to see you.
And I you. Thank Merlin you're in one piece. I heard about the attack. Trolls in Hogsmeade?
Sir, the trolls were wearing armor. It had that dark glow like the dragon collar.
Goblin silver. Ranrock used it to control the dragon. But how? And why send trolls to...
They were there because of me. I overheard Ranrock talking with Victor Rookwood.
Ranrock was in Hogsmeade? With Rookwood?
The trolls were Ranrock's distraction so that Rookwood could get to me. And he would have, had Sirona and the patrons at the Three Broomsticks not intervened.
This is grave news indeed. If Ranrock's goblins and dark wizards are after you, they want what we found in that vault.
Speaking of the vault, do you think that Ranrock is working with any of the goblins at Gringotts?
I do not. Gringotts goblins aren't typically the friendliest of beings, but they have a great deal of integrity. No, I dare say after what happened to that poor banker, the goblins at Gringotts are no followers of Ranrock.
They're after the locket. You said you discovered something in it.
Yes, yes. I discovered an inscription. When I read it aloud, this map appeared. Clever enchantment. It's a map of Hogwarts, to be sure, but I do not know where it leads.
It leads to the library. A restricted section, to be precise, and a bit beyond. I see traces of magic there on the map.
I suspected you would see something.
Shall we go?
I appreciate your enthusiasm, and I'm eager to discover what we may find there as well. But if our experience at Gringotts, let alone what happened to Miriam, taught me anything, it's that the path we're on is terribly dangerous. I'd like you to work with Professor Hecat a bit, before we continue.
But sir, how dangerous could the library be? Perhaps we're only after a book.
Perhaps we are only after a book, but we should be prepared for anything. Once you've honed your defensive magic further, come and see me. I'll let Professor Hecat know to expect you.
Revelio.
Anna andare tuoda hauta. Anti hautundu. Куда я должен пойти? Перед профессором Гекат.
If only a new student were to help me with my sad predicament.
Revelio.
I believe matters to discuss.
Тоhta, а это что такое? Понял.
I'm here about the new spell you wanted to teach me, Professor.
Good. Professor Fig indicated a certain urgency to you completing your defensive magic assignments. As such, you are to learn Incendio, the fire-making spell, handy for lighting torches, burning away spider webs, and, when necessary, defending against those who would wish to do us harm.
Sounds versatile.
Quite. But before we get started, I'd like you to complete a few tasks. You may be surprised by some of them. Astonishing how much students don't think their professors know. When you're finished, come and see me. Then we shall begin working on Incendio. You know where to find me once you've finished.
Видите, 2 раунда прекращено.
Seems crossed wands isn't as secret as it's believed to be.
Might some kind soul help me?
Извини, я не могу помочь. Ай,
Revelio.
это чисто.
Glad you could make it. Lucan's just over there.
ما دخل نمتي.
Accio. Levioso. Revelio.
Могу ли я открыть вот это? Могу. Это тоже так же.
Can I help you?
Sebastian told me to see you about a club.
If Sebastian vouches for you, that's all I need to know. I coordinate duels for crossed wands. A dueling club of sorts. It's invitation only, so you must have really impressed Sebastian.
I'm flattered to hear that. Sebastian's not a bad duelist either.
Imagine it's quite something to see the two of you duel.
How does cross wands work exactly?
You show up, I match you with other duelists, and whoever is still standing in the end wins. It's our way of determining the school's greatest duelist once and for all. And to liven things up, the winner is awarded a prize. Interested?
Of course. Dueling's an entertaining pastime.
I agree. Besides, in crossed ones, you could duel with a partner if you like. Your first time I'll pair you with Sebastian. Next time, you'll need to bring a partner along, or duel alone. So, care to step into the ring?
Get me in the ring.
Spectacular! Let the fireworks begin!
We'll make you regret signing up.
Confringo.
Accio.
Levioso. Levioso.
Find the one!
Accio.
That's all you've got?
Protego. Levioso.
Don't shy away now.
Confringo. Levioso. Descendo.
You're better than that!
Reparo.
Confringo.
Act like a winner.
Reparo.
Divindo.
What to do? Nice work. Sebastian wasn't wrong about you. There's strong competition ahead, but keep this up and you could be the next school champion.
Brilliant. Count me in.
I shall. In fact, the second duel is ready when you are. And as a fully initiated member, you now have access to the official Crossed Wands training dummy. Very good way to master spell combinations. Come and see me, and I'll set it up. Again, congratulations on your first Crossed Wands victory. Well fought. Hope to see you back here again.
Давай еще вид.
Glad you're back.
Hello, Lucan. May I use the training dummy?
Of course. I'll fetch it and give you a list of combinations to practice. Ready to have a try
Хорошо.
now?
That would be wonderful.
Be sure to cast all your spells before the dummy lands. If you need to stop practicing before you finish all of them, let me know. Next time, perhaps.
А,
Accio.
Excellent form.
Reparo.
а шутка. Что?
That's it.
Levioso. Accio.
Good one. I'd say that's enough practice. You looked good out there.
Thank you, Lucan.
I say better to discover one's weaknesses during practice than during a duel. You'll be a fearsome challenger now.
Hello, Lucan. Is the next round of Crossed Wands all set?
Why, yes it is.
Да какие-то
I've got a
даю.
great match lined up. Ready for another round?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Brilliant. Are you dueling with a partner?
Yes, Sebastian.
Then let's get to it.
Мочить будем.
Ready to get thrashed? Apologies in advance.
Ой.
Reparo. Accio.
You're better than that.
Levioso. Lumos. Protego. Reparo.
А, да блядь, тупо ты.
There goes my wager.
А я.
Levioso. Protego.
Ась, ардым бит. Ё-моё.
Levioso. Levioso. Come on. Stupid. Levioso. Accio. Levioso. Stupid.
Пейдаватым бит.
Protego.
glad I didn't bet on you that round.
Та-та-та-та-та-та.
I'll give it another go.
Всё, иди этим.
Leviosa. Reparo. Levioso.
Protego.
Accio.
Leviosa.
Fringo. Reparo.
Ой.
Accio.
Ай-я. Матрица перезагрузка. Ай, бля.
There goes my wager.
Блять.
Protego.
Act like a winner. Leviosa.
Sendo.
Protego.
Reparo.
Leviosa.
Leviosa. Accio.
Угу. Ёлка меня тут улал.
Leviosa. Accio. Leviosa.
Leviosa.
Угу, одного минуса Нури. А ты и так, бля.
Reparo.
Leviosa.
Да ты унарить-то, блядь.
Leviosa.
Здорово. Иди вот ты, мать, ты это. Пошел.
Leviosa. Fringo.
Leviosa. Protego.
Accio.
Leviosa.
Accio.
Мы клара, бля.
Care to go again?
I'll give it another go.
Glad to hear it.
Своих порлом.
Accio. Fringo. Levioso. Accio. Accio. Levioso.
Don't shy away now.
Accio. Accio.
Accio.
Сука.
Accio. Accio.
Хайри-то, блядь.
Protego. Stupid one.
Leviosa.
Accio.
Levioso.
Leviosa.
Accio.
Protego.
Accio.
Sendo.
А, блядь, а мимо мебель-то, ёбан.
Accio. Accio. Accio.
Гори, бля. А шумы калара.
Care to go again?
I think I'd better rest for a bit.
Very well. We'll be waiting when you're ready.
Чё я не так делаю? Да. Инвентарь. Понятно. Что-то дает? Свобода другой. День. Да. Банкета мальчиков. Ами ехать евинде. Да буки кайда болду? Кайда камырый? Бе. Кандай карагам? Көрей. Что он делает? Вообще demedim. Бля, кайда болду? Карарым албан көрүп сурачагым. Ладно, кимди көрбөп ыйлактуу кайдак. Вообще көрөрөн алакыт токту комментарийге калдырыңар.